National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Denton County in north-central Texas, northeastern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, southwestern Collin County in north-central Texas, northwestern Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 5 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:18 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Richmond Hills, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Carrollton, Frisco, Richardson, Louisville, Flower Mound, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Halton City, Keller, Coppell, Hearst, and the Colony. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 57 and 58. Interstate 35E between mile markers 436 and 453. Interstate 30 between mile markers 19 and 26. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current time is 4:20.